Today I am reviewing the Lenovo Legion Pro 7 Gen 10 Gaming Laptop 2026. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Lenovo Legion Pro 7 Gen 10 Gaming Laptop 2026 represents the absolute top tier of modern gaming and creator laptops. This machine isn't just an upgrade, it's a statement. Built for elite gamers, professional creators, and power users who demand desktop-class performance in a portable form factor, the Legion Pro 7 Gen 10 pushes every boundary in processing power, graphics, display technology, and future-ready features. At the heart of this laptop is the Intel Core Ultra i9 275HX, a next-generation 24-core processor designed for extreme performance. With boost speeds reaching up to 5.4 GHz and a dedicated AI Boost NPU. This CPU delivers exceptional gaming performance while also accelerating AI-assisted workloads, content creation, and multitasking. Whether you're running demanding AAA games, compiling code, editing high-resolution video, or streaming while gaming, this processor handles it effortlessly, delivering desktop-level speed in a mobile platform. Backing up that CPU is an incredible 64 GB of DDR5 memory clocked at 6,400 MHz. This massive amount of ultra-fast RAM ensures that no workload ever feels constrained. Heavy multitasking, large project files, virtual machines, and professional creative software all run smoothly without slowdowns. Paired with 2 TB of PCIe Gen 4 NVMe storage, split across dual high-speed drives, the system delivers lightning-fast boot times, instant application launches, and near-zero load times in games. It's built for users who want speed, capacity, and long-term performance headroom. Graphics performance is nothing short of extraordinary. The laptop features the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5080 with 16 GB of GDDR7 memory, making it one of the most powerful mobile GPUs available. This GPU enables ultra settings in modern AAA games, advanced real-time ray tracing, AI-enhanced rendering, and smooth high-frame rate gameplay at native resolution. For creators, it provides massive acceleration for 3D rendering, video editing, animation, and AI-based workflows. Whether you're gaming competitively or producing professional content, the RTX 5080 delivers uncompromising performance. The display is one of the biggest highlights of the Legion Pro 7 Gen 10. It features a 16-inch WQXGA OLED panel with a resolution of 2560 by 1600 and a 240 Hz refresh rate. This OLED screen delivers infinite contrast, true blacks, and stunning brightness thanks to HDR True Black 1000 certification. With 100% DCI, P3 color coverage, and NVIDIA G-Sync support, the display is perfectly suited for both competitive gaming and professional color-critical work. Fast motion looks incredibly smooth, colors are vibrant and accurate, and every scene feels immersive and lifelike. Lenovo has also focused heavily on premium usability and professional features. The laptop ships with Windows 11 Pro, offering enhanced security, productivity tools, and enterprise-grade features. A 5.0 MP camera with an electronic privacy shutter ensures crystal-clear video calls while maintaining privacy. The per-key RGB keyboard delivers excellent tactile feedback, customizable lighting, and includes a dedicated Copilot key for quick access to AI-powered tools, blending productivity with cutting-edge functionality. Connectivity on the Legion Pro 7 Gen 10 is extensive and future-proof. You get multiple USB-A and USB-C ports, Thunderbolt 4 support, DisplayPort 2.1, HDMI 2.1, a 2.5 gigabits Ethernet port, and USB power delivered charging. This means seamless compatibility with high-refresh external monitors, docking stations, high-speed storage devices, and professional accessories, all without adapters or compromises. Thermal design is another area where Lenovo excels. The Legion Pro 7 Gen 10 is engineered to sustain peak performance without thermal throttling. Advanced cooling ensures stable clock speeds, even during long gaming sessions or heavy workloads, keeping the system cool, quiet, and reliable. This allows the CPU and GPU to operate at their full potential consistently, which is critical for high-end gaming and professional use. In conclusion, the Lenovo Legion Pro 7i Gen 10 2026 is not just a gaming laptop. It's a no-compromise powerhouse built for users who want the best of everything. With a 24-core Intel Ultra 9 processor, RTX 5080 graphics, a stunning 240Hz OLED display, massive DDR5 memory, and premium build quality, it delivers elite performance across gaming, content creation, and AI-driven workloads. If you're looking for a future-proof laptop that can replace a desktop while offering mobility, power, and cutting-edge features, the Legion Pro 7i Gen 10 stands at the very top of the market.